Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to talk about how to customize our hamburger style menus container design. Let's get started. Click on your hamburger style menu. When you select it or when you select this element, this green option or green drop down will appear. So click on this drop down and select hamburger menu, and your hamburger menu will appear. On the action bar above, go to the All Design Options button. And from here, you'll be able to customize your hamburger menus container. By the way, you can actually switch from which items of the hamburger menu you should work on. So you can work on your hamburger menu, the close button, and the icon. For now, we will work on the container. So we're going to choose hamburger menu. Here we can change its fill colors, borders, corners, shadows, spacing, and layout. So go ahead and feel free to customize it according to your preferred design. And if you'd also like to customize your menu items design, you can click on your menu items element and go to all design options once again. From here, you should be able to successfully edit your menu bar. So go ahead and edit it according to your preferences as well. And once you're done, your changes should automatically be saved as well. You can also click on Done to switch back to your regular site view. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.